Let's explore how nodes are connected. The right red connector of a node serves as the out to the next component. The left red connector of a node acts as the in from the previous component. You can only link the connectors with the same color. The execution path is represented by an animated dotted line. Drag a text node onto the workspace. Notice it has a green connector. We can use this to store data for display or reuse. Connect the output to any nodes that accept inputs by linking the green connector. For example, you can pre-populate text fields and concatenate data. Join the future of education today. Ready to transform your educational approach? Visit www.learningflow.ai and sign up to access these groundbreaking tools.